Now 20 nautical miles. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Colorado County in southeastern Texas, northern Wharton County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Austin County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Waller County in southeastern Texas, until 12:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 11:50 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Wallace, Oregon, 7 miles south of Sealy, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Katy, Sealy, Brookshire, Wallace, Fauquier, Simonton, San Felipe, Patterson, Weston Lakes, and Cinco Ranch. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Texas. The National